In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a speech bubble here in Canva. Now, there's two different ways that we can actually do this, and I'm going to show you both different ways. Now, they're both utilizing elements. So what we want to do is come up to elements just here, and then we want to come to the search bar. Now here, this is where we can type in speech bubble. Then we're going to click enter, and then we have lots of different types. Now, there's frames, there's photos, and there's graphics, and also shapes. Now, if there's a little crown icon next to this, this means that's Canva Pro, and you do need a Canva Pro account. But nonetheless, there's lots of different options to choose from. Now, 9 times out of 10, you're probably going to use just the graphics. So what we can do is click on See All, find the one that we want to use, and then we can simply click on there, and then use it in our design. Now, the great thing about this being a graphic, we can also flip this around just like that, and this one's an SVG, meaning we can actually go in and change the colours, because if we look just here in this toolbar, we do have the option, so we could click onto the white and we can change that to any colour that we want. Now, not all speech bubbles are going to be able to do this, so if we click on this green one, we can actually with this one as well, as we can see the colours, but you can't actually change the colours on every single speech bubble. Now, if we just go back for a second, let's put in speech bubble again, just like that, because we can also use shapes. Now, with shapes, there's only 2 different speech bubbles, as we can see that just here. Now, if we click off here and just come to shapes, if we click on See All, we're going to find them just here as well. Now, if we click on here, we're going to have a lot of the same options. Now, what we can also do is add a border on this, so we can play around like that, change the border weight, and we can also change the colour. Now, let's leave that on black as well, but this is a shape here in Canva. Then the last one, if we go back, let's click back onto speech bubble and come down to here. Canva also has speech bubble frames. So if we click on one of these, let's go with this one. What we can now do is put a photo into this speech bubble or any image. So if we go back, let's come on to recently used, and let's just take this funny dog. What we can do, because this speech bubble is a frame, is put that into the frame just like that. But nonetheless, that's a few different ways on how to add speech bubbles here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.